The next morning, when the people awoke, they reached up for their breakfast, but there was no sky. They ran and they leapt for the sky, but they couldn't reach. They ran and leapt for the sky, but they couldn't reach. The sky was too high. From that day forth, people had to work to make their own food. They had to cook their food, and they had to do the dishes.
This way, Juliette.
She remained so high that no one can reach her.
Attends, Juliette, attends.
Comme nous,
Ah oui?
on a fait comme cette musique. Toi, maman, toi, là-dedans, là-dedans. Hein?
Once upon a time, there were two friends, Gracie Rabbit and Slow Toes. Gracie Rabbit liked to do everything quickly, and Slow Toes liked to do everything slowly.
Another one, Mommy.
One day, Gracie Rabbit and Slow Tortoise decided to have a race.
Chloé, tu vas jusqu'en haut?
On the day of the race,
Mommy.
Slow Tortoise woke up very
Oops.
slowly.
Slowly,
She
slowly.
did a great slow stretch and slowly dressed herself. She slowly ate her breakfast and
Another one.
slowly cleaned her teeth.
Another one, Mommy.
She did
Et comment tu descends maintenant, Chloé?
and slow touch your toes and warm her body.
Comment tu descends maintenant, Chloé?
Meanwhile, next door, Gracie Rabbit woke up very quickly. She did a fast, quick stretch and quickly put on her clothes. She hurriedly made her way downstairs and quickly ate her breakfast. She ate it so fast that she could hardly see the spoon moving. She cleaned her teeth as fast as lightning and did some starbursts and some quick touch her toes. Hop to, knees up, Mother Brown, and then quickly she ran down to the start line. All the other animals had gathered together to watch the race. There's Foot, and he said, "On your marks, get set, go!" Off Gracie Rabbit ran. She ran and she ran. She was so fast she could
Très bien, Chloé.
She did fast jumping and fast hopping. First on one foot and then on the other.
Ow!
Following behind came Slow Tortoise. She was doing slow and slow jumping. How slow can you go?
Fast.
And